Welcome to the in front of me Realme C30, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why I just have to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app. Click here yes agree, tap to close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. After that, you can see the information about your device battery temperature, and in my case that's 34 and 6. Also, we can find here more just information about our device level, health, capacity, device voltage, Android version, device model, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.